This is a bird with an extreme case of OCD. It scrubs its favorite perch spotless with pieces of snakeskin and keeps its territory so clean you could eat off it. Excess grass? Gone. Extra twigs? Tossed. Fallen leaves? Not on its watch. Once everything is spotless, it adds little red berries as decorations, because who doesn't want their place to look festive? Turns out, it's building a stage for its big performance. When everything's ready, it kicks off with some warm-up moves. With all the head bobbing and booty shaking, it really looks like it knows what it's doing. These birds go by the lovely name birds of paradise, living in the lush mountain forests of New Guinea. They woo their potential mates by showcasing graceful dance moves and sweet melodies. After its flashy decorating, the stage is set, and sure enough, a curious female bird comes along to check out the show. The male, not wanting to miss this golden opportunity, gears up to perform like his life depends on it. Because, well, it kind of does. With every move in place, the grand show begins. After the performance, the male wastes no time running over to the female, trying to seal the deal with some heartfelt gestures. But let's face it, simps never have a happy ending. As the saying goes, love is like a fallen leaf. If it's not green, it's already turning yellow.